स्टेट का पैसा है, गरीबों का पैसा है। वो पैसे को जिसने भी लूटा है उसको सजा देनी चाहिए, चाहे वो लीडर कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो, चाहे वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कितना बड़ा क्यों ना होने दो। ये लूटम लाठी की वजह से आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स परेशान हैं, हमारे किसान परेशान हैं, आरोग्यश्री में बीमार जो बच्चे वो लोग परेशान हैं। तो हमको इन लोगों की लूट जिन्होंने मचाई है सजा देनी चाहिए।
अभी जो कोर्ट को गया ना केसीआर साहब और हरीश राव साहब ने, हमको 8B and 8C, sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct your records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar साहब, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब, नहीं, आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूं. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, Akbar साहब. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. आप पूरा देखो, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट. अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो, बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलत फहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट यू कैनॉट मेक सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स.
Right. I'll now give me the mic. I'll say.
So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. No. आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप. नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते. आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो Sir, I have to answer. I'm the floor. I'm the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No. You cannot.
The government is at liberty to take steps pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security Authority in accordance with the law. This is what it is saying. Page number 664. आप भाई मैं तेरे फिर भी बोल रहा हूं.
Akbar Sahab, 656 page number. You go through that page. The Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement submitted interim report on 2/8/2024 and further informed the government through letter dated 38/2/2024 that as directed by the government, it is restricting its inquiry to Medgada barrage only through letter so and so date has placed before. साहब, अकबर साहब, अब हम इंसान है, गलत हो सकता है. आप अरे मैं आपको विथ रेफरेंस पेज नंबर, आई एम कोटिंग पेज नंबर. द कमीशन, द फाइनल रिपोर्ट, डायरेक्टर जनरल विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट, Medgada barrage. The government has produced a document mentioned in the list annexed to this said letter. However, it is reported through the said letter that the placement registers of work pertaining to all components. Dam safety report also is there. अरे साहब, अकबर साहब, आप गलत फहमी होगा, नहीं तो झूठ बोलने वाले अगल बगल में बैठकर आपको रिक्वेस्ट किए तो मोहब्बत में, प्यार में, ऐसा कुछ पुराने दोस्ती में कुछ गलत फहमी में मत जाओ. आई एम कोटिंग 658 पेज नंबर. यू टेक दैट बुक रिपोर्ट. वी हैव गिवन हार्ड कॉपी टू अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब. आप कॉप ले लो. रिपोर्ट ऑफ द नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी. Before dealing with the report of the National Dam Safety Authority, it is necessary to refer to the directions of this commission. Sri G. Anil Kumar, Engineering Chief General, wrote letter so and so, committee on 2024, dated 3/6/2024, enclosing therewith interim technical suggestions on the rectification works related to the barrages of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project based on the site visit observations on 1/6/2024 by expert committee constituted wide government memo, so and so, so and so. The letter reads thus, anent to the reference second cited, and he has given everything. The report includes to the said letter reads thus. साहब, आप पूरा रिपोर्ट पढ़ो. साहब, मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरा सरकार ने सबमिट किया. NDSA report we have given to commission. NDSA report we have given. Vigilance and enforcement report to the commission. And CAG report I have submitted. Officially we have submitted. Page. साहब, मैं पढ़ के दिखा रहा हूं. मैं आपको झूठ बोलने का. Sir,
Akbar ji,
just I will read out.
Akbar ji, please आप बैठिए. लीडर आप बात करने के बाद आपको टाइम देता हूँ. बैठिए आप.
अकबर साहब, आप 1 घंटा बोले तो भी हम कुछ नहीं बोले. 60-70 मिनट आप वन साइड आप जो बोलना था आप बोल दिया. हम कुछ नहीं बोले, मगर जो फैक्ट्स को आप गलत दिखाए तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. क्योंकि पेज नंबर 646 report of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. This report is prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. The preface to report 1 of 2024 read thus. This report pertaining to the state of Telangana has been prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. There is a complete report is there. I don't want to waste your time. So I would request, you have to understand, this report is comprehensively the commission has submitted. This is inquiry commission. He has not adjudicated, he is not judge of this case. He is the commission, say one-man commission. This is the inquiry commission. It is appointed under inquiry commission. He has recommended everything, he has taken into consideration. Every report, NDSA report, Vigilance and Enforcement Department has submitted everything to the commission. Not only that, they have called civil society, they have called experts, they have called everyone. They have taken into consideration everyone's report plea.
Are you a shy and introverted kind of person? Do you get anxious while talking to other people? Do you know exactly what to speak?
So my point is that the commission has recommended certain things. They have found fault with political executives, executive officers, technical experts and agencies. Finally, he has said that recovery certain amounts, take action against some of the agencies and put some criminal cases. Who has misled the commission? They have suppressed certain facts. Based on that suppression of certain facts, he has given direction to take criminal action against those people. The entire report is here. Now my government is tabled this report. We are asking your suggestions, not your decision. If you wanted to suggest, you can suggest. If you are not going to suggest also, we don't mind. Government is going to take a decision on this report. We will take a stringent action against all these corrupt people. I am going to take a decision. I am here to take a decision. I am not here to sitting just like that. I am the leader of the house. I know how to run the house. I know how to take a decisions in appropriate time. Thank you, Akbar Sahab.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I do not feel offended, nor I feel upset, nor I get angry as my leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revant Reddy Sahab. Sir, about report of the Director General Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigadda, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigara barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you're not understanding. You're not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report.